So today I'm making some salmon patties, basically for my carnivore diet. I chose this one. This is wild caught, and if you check the ingredients, it's basically pink salmon, salt, and it says they contain salmon. That's all we need. That's all we need. So I'm going to open this can and empty it into my bowl, extracting as much of the liquid as possible. Okay, so I opened the can of salmon, drained out all the liquid that I could, and it's now in my mixing bowl. So now we're going to season this. I have some black pepper, there's some garlic powder, and onion powder. I'm not going to add any salt because it's a bit salty already. The salmon. I'm going to crack an egg. And I'm basically going to simply mix everything together. I'm going to add about a handful of cheese. I realize that these small cans just basically make me 4 patties. So I'm going to get these ready and prepared to be fried. So here's my frying pan of choice. I already added a bit of butter to the frying pan to base each groove, and I'm going to put about a tablespoon of each of the salmon mixture into each groove. Okay, so I'm going to put this on my stove. Sorry, my fire set up low. I'm going to cover the frying pan, allow them to get cooked. They don't really need much time because remember it's just cheese and the salmon's already cooked and everything. So yeah, it doesn't take much time to get nice color. After probably about 3 minutes, I'll turn them over the other side to get the other side nice and golden brown. Okay, so we're going to turn over these patties now. You can see at the edge there going to turn brown. Around here it's going to turn brown, so I'm going to turn them over and then the other side get nice and brown as well. Check that out. Yeah, baby. Next 2 to 3 minutes, this should be all done.